Hello there. Today I am going to do another larger canvas. This one is a 12 by 24 inch and I have already put a base coat down of pale lemon, my own mix, white with a little bit of yellow deep added just to make that lemony shade. And onto this I am going to be pouring today 3 of my silicone cups with paint already in them, which I actually made up to do a previous pour in case I didn't need them. I will show at the end of the video the paints that how I put them into the cups, and I'm going to put those 3 cups down as travelling pours onto the base to see what I can get. So I will start now. So pretty, and the cells are already starting to come through, I had silicone added to my pouring medium, which I then added to my paints, all except my base lemon, which I'm just so happy with the way that's come out. So now, of course, I'm going to go searching for more cells with my torch. Wow, that has certainly changed dramatically. All the cells that have come through to the surface, as you would have seen just before, I was chasing the cells along the edges of the white to get all that beautiful lacing. Not quite so obvious here, but certainly a lot of it along here, created of course by the phthalo blue, just beautiful. And more, I believe more of the pink has come out to the surface, which is very, very pretty, particularly mixed in with the blue. Not so much of the turquoise, but hints of it, which is really nice. And of course the copper is also quite vibrant. Okay, so now time for me to bring it up to the camera to give you a closer look at it. Wow, I cannot believe how many cells I get, little tiny lace type cells in there, in the blue area there. I'm trying to get that so you can see it okay. The lacing is pretty obvious. That's one of the things you get when you mix your silicone thoroughly with your pouring medium before you add it to your paint. I've found that the majority of the cells are actually lacing, and they are incredibly pretty. So I'm extremely happy with the way that has come out, and I will explore further using the bases with gaps in between to make the lacings along the edges of those. Oh dear, very, very happy with that. So that's it for me for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.